everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you all of the Glossier products that I recently got. Glossier is known for basically enhancing your natural beauty. They go the completely opposite of what makeup actually does, which is to cover everything and for everything to be very heavy, and they steer the completely opposite direction and make your skin just look very natural and dewy and glowy. I basically already tried all the products on my face, so yes, I have a full face of Glossier makeup on today. I don't even have a mascara on yet, and I already love the way it looks. So if you guys want to see exactly how I did this whole look and all of the products that I used, just keep on watching. Oh my god, it's pink! So when I open it up, first thing I see is the little iconic pink bubble bag. And then I got this box in here. I'll show you everything I got first and then we'll move on to, you know, the makeup part. So the first thing in here I have is the Glossier lip gloss. Although I'm not a lip gloss kind of person, you can't do Glossier and a glossy look without the lip gloss. So that is the box and that is the lip gloss. I also got two of the cloud paints just because I wanted more than one color. I heard that this is an amazing product, so I feel like this is something I'm really gonna like. So I grabbed the color Haze, which is I think their darkest color. It's one of those like really rosy purpley fuchsia shades. And it looks stunning. And then I also grabbed Beam, which is kind of their peachy shade. Look at those, I love those. I got the Holoscope, which is the Dew Effect highlighter, and I picked up the shade Quartz. So that is the packaging, and that is the color. And then I also got the Perfecting Skin Tint in the color Medium. I think this shade would be okay for me. Oh, this shade should be fine for me. This is what the inside of the box looks like. How cute. And inside I got stickers. I actually heard that you get Glossier stickers and I was so excited because I want to put these on my phone and possibly my laptop. Look at how cute these stickers are. Oh, I love them. I also got another sticker, so it's that guy there. And then I got 3 more products in this little baggie that came inside that box. So the first one is the Stretch Concealer. I actually heard really good things about this, so I'm so excited to try it out. This is also the color Medium. That should match me. That's amazing, I love it. Next, I got the Sheer Matte Lipstick. Oh yeah, I forgot I got this. Oh yeah, it's just like a natural nudie shade, which is kind of why I liked it. Oh, that's not nude at all. It's more like a light tan brown shade. It's actually very pretty though. I'd still wear that. I decided to grab this one because I thought it would be nice to have this on my lips, kind of like a almost close to nude shade, and then I was gonna put the gloss on top. I of course got Boy Brow because you can't go wrong with Boy Brow. Oh, I just feel like this is possibly one of their most popular items and I've been so excited for it. So I got to the shade Brown and this is it. It's so tiny. All right, let's do this. So I've applied just a tad bit of my own moisturizer. I don't have the Glossier moisturizer right now just because I'm testing out their makeup products first. So the first thing I'm gonna do is apply the Perfection Skin Tint. So according to the bottle of the Skin Perfecting Tint, it says to shake, then smooth over moisturized skin with fingertips. Blend upward and outward for sheer coverage and instant dewiness. So I'm gonna apply some on my hand. Ooh, it's a very watery consistency. Just gonna dab it on and rub through my skin. And apply a little bit more. So yeah, it definitely doesn't do a whole lot of coverage. I obviously wasn't expecting that from this product, but it does feel like it kind of evened out a few places. I actually really like it. It's so lightweight. Yeah, as I was applying it on, it felt like I was applying another layer of moisturizer. The actual bottle itself is genius because you're not gonna spill it everywhere. You really do have to squeeze the bottle to get the product out. So very minimal mess. And obviously, best part, I don't feel cakey. Next, I am gonna go in with the Stretch Concealer. I once again got the shade medium. Now, from my research, this is a wax concealer, so it's not supposed to leave the cracks that usually happen when you wear a heavy chunky concealer underneath your eyes, which obviously I like. And all I'm gonna do is apply this specifically underneath my eyes. I'm gonna do it on this eye first and compare. I think that was the quickest I've ever put concealer on. I'm also gonna put a little bit underneath my brow area. Usually I do put concealer on here. And then maybe I'll do a little bit on top. So I really actually do like the concealer. This is the side so far that I put concealer on, and compared to this side, you can see that there are still a lot of dark circle left under here. The concealer on this side is very creamy and moisturizing. I don't feel like it's leaving any lines. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish off on this eye. Amazing product. I'm not just saying that seriously. Like, it looks like you have nothing on, but it's there. So I think out of everything, the only product I didn't grab was the water powder, because I've heard a lot of things about it just kind of taking that dewiness away, and I really want to keep the dewiness. I also didn't feel like it was necessary. So the majority, big parts of the skin is basically done. I am gonna go into using the Boy Brow because I just can't hold it any longer. Once again, the shade I grabbed is brown, and I'm gonna go in and start using this. It does come with the bristle brush, which is gonna be a lot different than what I'm currently using. I tend to stick more to like creamy pods, so this should be interesting. I hope I don't F this up. I'm gonna start off with one brow and then compare it to the next. This is the brow that I have Boy Brow on, and this is the one I do not have anything on. You might not be able to tell such a big difference, but I can definitely see that this brow is a lot darker in shade. I have a lot of hair on my brows in general, so I think that this helped just kind of enhance that. It's definitely not gonna fill in your brows completely, so if you don't have a lot of brow hair, I don't know how you would feel about this product, but I have pretty thick brows, and I think it's done an awesome job kind of not only combing it out, but adding a little bit more color, mainly on top. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other brow. But yeah, you can definitely tell that this one is a lot darker and thicker than this one. I really like how natural it makes my eyebrows actually look. So in my opinion, if you have very thick brows, or you just have a really nice brow shape, you are gonna like this, because it just helps like enhance your natural eyebrows. So the next thing I'm gonna do is apply cloud paint. As mentioned earlier when I was showing you guys what I got, I have the color Haze and the color Beam. Something is leaning me towards Haze just because it is a beautiful shade. So I am gonna apply Haze on my cheeks, and then I will most likely apply Beam on the back of my hand so that you guys can see what it looks like still. I'm not sure how this is gonna go. Let's hope I don't mess it up. But I'm just gonna apply this as I would with blush. The only difference is I'm gonna use my hand. And I think I'm going to start off on this cheek. That is pigmented. Oh, I like it. So as I'm spreading it through, it almost looks like I just have flushed cheeks. I really like this color. I'm very, very happy I grabbed this color. So that is the side with Haze. Side with nothing. You can definitely tell that Haze gave me a little bit more of a flushed color. And I apply in an upward motion, and then I kind of just spread through. You can probably see it more on this side because this is the side I kind of have my light hitting me. This side is a little bit more natural light. So it's okay because you kind of get like to see both sides. But I did walk away and look in the mirror just to make sure I put it on evenly on both sides. So I'm very, very happy with this color. It's beautiful. But I did swatch haze on my hand so that you guys can see what it looks like. Oh, that's stunning. So that is the color Beam. It's gonna leave you with like this lovely kind of flushed peach look. So I'm gonna have to try that one next time in another video. So we are almost to the end, and now I'm gonna quickly go into the Holoscope, which is the Dew Effect highlighter. And this is the shade Quartz. I think I'm gonna start off by just applying it here on the high points of my cheeks. And then kind of just blending that out. So nice and creamy. This is another product that's just like really, really nice and creamy and very easy to blend. I'm also gonna apply a little bit up here. A little bit down my nose. A tad bit on my Cupid's bow. And that is Quartz on my face. I absolutely love how dewy it's leaving my skin. It was so creamy and very easy to blend, so moisturizing on the skin. I'm very, very happy with the color choice because it's beautiful and I feel like it works the best on my skin tone. So I am now moving down to the last few products, and I am gonna go in with the Sheer Matte Lipstick in the color Kate first. Very, very happy with this shade. And last but not least, I'm gonna go in with the lip gloss to finish the whole look. I really like the shade Cake under this. And yeah, guys, that is the final look. I feel that my face looks just very natural. It looks like I'm naturally blushing. It looks very like glossy and dewy and healthy. Yeah, there was not one product that I disliked or felt had imperfections. I literally think I loved everything, and I think why I loved it so much was because I like wearing minimal makeup to begin with, so this works for me. This is like the brand I should have been using all along. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I really hope that you found this video useful, informative, and entertaining. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe, hit that button down below as well to get notifications for when I post a new video. If you'd like to see more Glossier reviews, maybe the skincare range this time, give this video a big thumbs up. And I will see you guys again very soon.